Welcome to Video 1, the beginning of your reality transurfing journey. I want to start with an idea that changed everything for me the moment it clicked. You're not manifesting your life, you're choosing it. Every moment, every reaction, every shift of attention, it's all a choice. And most people never realize they're making one. Before we go deeper into that, let me tell you a little about how I ended up here. I've spent decades studying personal development, law of attraction, meditation, guided visualization, goal setting, identity work, all the books, audios, and programs so many of us have turned to when we're searching for answers. And in my work as a life coach and energy healer, I've helped clients release emotional blocks, shift patterns, and reconnect with who they truly are. I'm certified in the emotion code and the body code. I'm an elite mentorship trainer, and I've spent years developing my clairvoyant energy work. Even with all of that, something still felt incomplete. There were moments where I could see transformation happen and moments where it slipped away. I knew there was a deeper structure underneath it all, but I couldn't put my finger on what it was. Reality Transurfing was the first framework that finally tied everything together for me. It explained why life responds the way it does, why identity matters more than goals, why emotion creates momentum, and why some people shift quickly while others stay stuck even when they're doing everything right. So let's talk about choice. I want you to imagine a curve. A simple split in two directions. One path curves upward toward clarity, purpose, confidence, health, happiness, and abundance. The other curves downward into stress, reactivity, old patterns, and the feeling of being stuck. Every tiny inner shift moves you slightly up or slightly down. Not the big dramatic decisions, the small, quiet ones, where you place your attention, how you interpret a moment, which thoughts you strengthen, which emotions you feed. These tiny choices compound much faster than people realize. And here's the part that opened my eyes completely. Infinity is real. Not spiritually real, mathematically real. Because infinity exists, every version of you already exists. Every future already exists. Every lifeline already exists. You're not trying to create your dream life or manifest it someday. You're tuning into it, selecting it, choosing the version of reality you want to experience. Vadam Zeland calls this the space of variations. I like to think of it as a massive field of possibilities that are all real. You just haven't aligned with them yet. Your job isn't to force a new life into existence. Your job is to choose the version of yourself who already lives it. Here's how we begin. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the version of you who already has the inner state that you want. The version who wakes up aligned, who moves through the day with clarity, who handles challenges with calm, who knows where they're going, who feels centered and grounded. That version of you already exists in the alternatives space. Your task right now is to simply identify them. After this video, take 1 minute, that's it, and write a short description or a few bullet points about your ideal self or your dream life. Who are they? How do they think? How do they make decisions? How do they treat themselves? How do they respond to life? Keep it simple and real. Then choose them. Choice is the first lifeline shift. It's the moment you stop drifting and start steering. But the moment you choose, something else shows up. Something that tries to pull you back into old patterns and old lifelines. It's invisible, powerful, and it influences more of your emotional life than you might imagine. In video 2, we're going to uncover the hidden force that's been steering your reactions, your energy, and emotion for years. Once you see it, you'll never unsee it. Go to video 2, Pendulums. I'll meet you there.